come with me to make this Greek bowl. It's so good. I just left the gym and I need some protein, so I'm gonna make this. I need to get a basket. So this Greek bowl, you guys, it's so good. I used to get it from this place over here, but they closed. I want to be in and out of here. Like, I hate coming to the grocery store. I need to stop saying hate, but now that I can order groceries, I really prefer to just order groceries, because being in here with all these people, no. It's only a couple things you need. I already have a cucumber, but I don't know if it's bad because I haven't. $2.99. Okay, this one's cool. Cucumber, tomato. Like, we only need like 2 of these. Okay, red onions down there. I need to get this. Wait, no, not Panera Bread. I'm thinking of Olive Garden. If they have that Olive Garden, it's so good. Okay, I need some feta cheese. Perfect. Feta. This one, y'all do this one. Fat free or okay, I'm gonna do this. I already have rice at home, so I just have to get turkey meat and black olives. I think black olives on the other aisle. Let me grab me some. Just grab these. It's not that many ingredients. It's really only like 5. Turkey meat, rice, tomatoes, onions, cucumbers, olives. That's it. Get this. What's the difference? I don't know what the difference is, but okay, got that. And then I need the dressing and the olives. I'm looking for salad dressing and olives. Is it right here?
They're going to be on aisle 6.
Aisle 6. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Vinegar, olives. Totally missed that. Excuse me. Y'all, I'm trying to find this Olive Garden. Yes. Go ahead, because I'm coming right here. Y'all, this is so good. This is so freaking good. Even though I'm doing Greek, so I should probably get this. So I'm doing Greek, but I'm still gonna get this because this is so good. Like, I can't even. I'll get this too. Whatever. And olives. And I'm done. I'm out of here. Grab these. And I can eat this for like the next couple of days. Yeah, whatever. That's fine. Okay, I'm done. Ooh, I need some eggs. See? That's why I want to come in here. But I need eggs. Gotta go get some eggs. So for breakfast, I've been making this burrito thing, and it's so good. There go the eggs. I need to get some orange juice too while we add it. Guess I'll get this. Give me some eggs. What in the all right. I kind of want some chorizo. Ooh, soy chorizo. Perfect. All right, that's it, y'all. I'm out of here. I'm gonna show you guys in the morning what I'll be making for breakfast. That's what happens when you come in here for a couple things and end up with all this. Was afraid to fly. He packed his suitcase, kissed his kiss goodbye. Down, he thought, well, isn't this nice? I need to get a big thing of this because I eat this all the time. See if they got some trail mix over here. Mountain mix, caramel chew. It's kind of cool. I be going ham with this, y'all. And it's probably not the greatest for you, but I'm gonna get it. I'm new on my health journey. I'm gonna get it. Excuse me. And yeah, I really do think it's like rain. Okay. And who would have thought it there? Y'all, I just got my nails done and look, like, what the hell? Like, just. I'm hungry. I'm about to open this. Why am I so greedy? They've taken too long, y'all. I'm about to get some lettuce because I just got 2 things of freaking salad dressing. Like, what am I gonna do with all that damn salad dressing? So, lettuce. Even though this don't have like no nutritional value, but we gonna make it do what it do. We're still waiting.
How you doing today?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. And you found everything all right today?
Mm-hmm. Thank you. Hey.
Go ahead and enter your phone number to get your discount.
I don't have a number.
Oh, no worries. When you get a second, I highly recommend downloading the app and registering your phone number real fast.
Okay.
Because
$105 today, so I could use it. Wow.
It's never like that for you again.
Oh my gosh. Thank you so much.
Anytime.
All right, you take care. Thanks, you too. Give me my trail mix. So good. Somebody let me know, is this good or bad? Probably bad, right? Oh well.